Hey Evan, I think this is what you're talking about. On this assignment, it was 2/6 and 1/3. So I used this apps.mathlearningcenter.org fractions, and I put a 1/3 in there and a 2/6. So on this particular one, 2/6 is equal to 1/3. The next one's 1/2 and 1/6. So if I went up to, I want 2 parts for this one. So 1/2, and what was the other one? 1/6. So if I put a 1/6 in there, and now I compare them, I can see that 1/2 is greater than 1/6. So that one would be a greater than. So then the next one is 4/8 and 7/8. Well, since they're same on the bottom, 4/8 would be less than 7/8. Next one's 1/4 and 1/8. So if I put this into 4 parts, and I go with 1/4, and what was the other one? 1/8. So I'm going to put this one into 8 parts. Set them next to each other. Go 1/8. I can see 1/4 is greater than 1/8. So I would use this website, apps.mathlearningcenter.org/fractions, if you're struggling with it. And I'll put that in the email back to you. All right. Let me know if you need any other help. Goodbye.